Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6, pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights, adaptive high beam assist, illuminated star on the grille, 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Brushed aluminum running boards. This one is certified pre-owned. An espresso brown ginger beige MB Tex interior, pano sunroof, come around back, trailer hitch, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of all season and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Come alongside, this one does come with the Premium 2 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, lane keep assist, Harman Kardon sound system, brown eucalyptus wood trim, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Got our steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation. Also included is the parking assistance package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors. Hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This GLE 350 has 25,390 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.